Hello guys, today I'm gonna test two 18650 batteries, Samsung 46G and LG M36. These batteries are rated at 4600 mAh, which is the highest rating on the market. And we're gonna find out, is it real or it's just marketing. I've also upgraded my battery holder to the version 3.0 and you're gonna see it too. So let's move on. All the tests were done using a special battery tester, the ZK E-Tech EBC-A20, which supports 4-wire measurement, discharge current up to 20 amps, and it can be connected to a PC for building graphs. I've upgraded my battery holder to the version 3.0. I have made contact pads from 0.5mm pure copper sheet. The positive terminal is 9mm wide and the width of negative terminal is 11.5mm. The pads are designed to provide good connection even with batteries which have deep placed positive or negative contacts. I've followed all the prescriptions of the IEC 61960 standard concerning battery's capacity measurement. The air temperature was 20-25 centigrades, and before each discharging cycle a battery was charged at its standard charging current mentioned in its datasheet, and after that it was left for 1 hour minimum. After discharging cycle, it also was left for 1 hour minimum. I've bought these batteries from Queen Battery, which is my reliable supplier of genuine batteries. They offer individual approach to each customer and special discounts depending on the quantity you buy. I will leave a link to their website and their email under this video. The M46 cell which I have tested has the following marking: LG M36 1865 Q248IO53A1. It doesn't have any official datasheet and I used the following values for testing. Standard charge current 0.5C or 1.80 amps. Charge end voltage 4.20 volts. Charge cutoff current 100 milliamps. Maximum discharge current 10 amps. Discharge cutoff voltage 2.5 volts. The measured weight of my cell is 48.40 grams. At 0.2C or 0.72 amp discharge rate, the result of LG M46 was 4471 mAh or 12.56 Wh. At 2 amp discharge rate, it showed 4308 mAh or 11.79 Wh. At 5 amps, 3306 mAh or 11.26 Wh. At 8 amps, 3305 mAh or 10.89 Wh. At 10 amp discharge rate, it showed 4278 mAh or 10.51 Wh. Samsung 46G cell which I've tested has the following marking: INR 18650 46G Samsung SDI 2H24. It also doesn't have any official datasheet, so I've used the same values for testing as in case of M46. I want to remind them. Standard charge current 0.5C or 1.80 amps. Charge end voltage 4.20 volts. Charge cutoff current 100 milliamps. Maximum discharge current 10 amps. Discharge cutoff voltage 2.5 volts. The measured weight of my cell was 47.97 grams. So let's take a look at the results. At 0.2C or 0.72 amp discharge rate, Samsung 46G gave out 4384 mAh or 12.24 Wh. At 2 amps, 3276 mAh or 11.49 Wh. At 5 amps, 3185 mAh or 10.51 Wh. At 8 amp discharge rate, the result was 4117 mAh or 9.83 Wh. At 10 amps, 3077 mAh or 9.43 Wh. Now let's compare these results with those of M46. At 2 amp discharge rate, the difference was about 40 mAh in capacity and 0.3 Wh in energy, and the better cell is LG M36. At 5 amp rate, M46 is again better than 46G, and the difference is about 120 milliamp hours in capacity and 0.75 watt hours in energy. At ATEMs the difference keeps on rising, and again M36 is better than 46G, and the difference in capacity is about 190 milliamp hours and about 1 watt hours in energy. At 10M discharge rate, M46 gave out about 200 milliamp hours more than 46G, and the difference is about 1.1 watt hours in energy. Pay attention to the curves. M46 curve looks more linear, while the 46G's curve has a big voltage sag in the beginning. At the end of the day, the winner is LG M46, but none of two cells can be called a 4600 mAh cell. For example, the results of LG M46 are just a little bit better than those of LG MJ1, which is rated at 4500 mAh, and worse than the results of Sanyo NCR 18650GA, which is also rated at 4500 mAh. So I think it's not fair to call these cells 4600 mAh ones. You can find the link to the test of 4500 mAh cells in the description of this video. You can compare them and find out which cell is better. That's all for today. Like this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and look forward for new reviews. Bye bye.